More than just a robot. Sphero SPRK Plus is a programmable robot ball designed to inspire creativity and curiosity through coding and play. Easily learn programming, complete hands-on activities, and share your creations with the community. Programmable sensors LED lights. SPRK Plus' programmable sensors include a gyroscope, accelerometer, motor encoders, and colorful LED lights to create countless play experiences and coding conditions for all levels. Easy to code create. Powered by the Sphero Edu app, you can program SPRK Plus across several platforms using JavaScript. Looking for more fun? Use the Sphero Play app to drive and play games with your coding bot. Built to learn play. With an hour of play, this educational robot is scratch-resistant, waterproof, charges inductively and connects via Bluetooth Smart so you can see your commands and creations come to life. Inspiring the creators of tomorrow. Founded in 2010, we set out to redefine creative play experiences with the original Sphero app-enabled robot ball. Now, with our undeniably cool fleet of programmable robots and educational tools, we're inspiring a new generation through hands-on applied learning of coding, science, music and the arts. Top reviews from the United States. Fun and educational. My 6, now 7-year-old, took a Sphero coding class at our local Apple store. She loved it. So for her 7th birthday we bought her this Sphero. I homeschool her so she works with her Sphero about at least once a week. She gets better at it every time. It is building great necessary skills that will enable her to go far in life. It's fun and doesn't feel like school when she is coding her robot through the path around our house. My husband creates patches using blue painter's tape on our hardwood floor throughout the house. Have also found it great with adding and estimating for the time. We try to set it all to the same speed, then have her figure out how many seconds it will take to go the different lengths.